There were two things in speed time graph, that the gradient will give us the acceleration and the area under the graph will give us the distance. Find the total distance traveled by the average speed of the whole journey.
So your voice is very low.
It says find the total distance. The total distance is the area under the graph. You may wish to split them in three halves: triangle, then rectangle, then another triangle, or do it in one go as trapezium. So 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides, this is 30. This is 10. Sum of parallel sides times height. This height is again 30. So 1 by 2 into 40 into 30, 220, 600 meters. Then it says the average speed of the whole journey. Average speed is total distance over total time. Total distance is 600, total time is 30. So we get 20 meters per second. Unit is actually not given, so maybe there was different. Yeah, this is in meters and seconds. It is defined in the first line. C part says the distance traveled in first 10 seconds. So in first 10 seconds, we just need the area of this section. So it is 1 by 2, sum of parallel sides. This is 10. This is 5 into height is 30. I'm using calculator. And I'm getting 225. In first 10 seconds is 225 meters. It says find the acceleration when t is equal to 20. So we know that 20 lies between these two. We don't need to know the exact position. So acceleration is the gradient. So gradient of this line will be equal to the value of acceleration at any time between 15 and 30. So gradient of this point is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is minus 30 by 15 is equal to minus 2 meters per second square. It's at acceleration. So the gradient is minus 2 and hence the acceleration is meters per second square. And if you would have said deceleration, only the sign of this minus 2 will change into plus 2. Everything else stays same. Question number 3. The graph shows the first 5 seconds of a journey. Estimate the acceleration after 1 second. So this is 1 second and it is a curve. So we will draw a tangent at this point and find the gradient of this tangent. Let me assume that this tangent is correct. So little more change. So let's say this is again a little curved. Would be easy on paper with pencil. Let's say I'm using these two values. So 22, 24, y2 minus y1 over x2 is 0.5, 0.25. So in between 0.25 and 2, 0.25 divided by 2 plus 2, I'm getting 2.125 minus 0. Substituting the values in calculator, 25 minus 4 over 2.125 minus 0 is 8.9 meters per second square. Try question number 4. Haris, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Haris, the only tip for now for these graphs are this is speed time graph. So for speed time graph, the gradient will be equal to acceleration and area under the graph is equal to distance. So it says find the total distance. So this yellow area is going to give you total distance. Find the total distance. Are you doing it or need any help?
Sir,
Yes. So distance traveled is total distance will be 500 in
You're getting
30
500? I
Yes,
think
sir.
I got 600. Let me quickly try that. The area of first section is triangle. 1 by 2 into base into height. Area of
Yes, sir.
second section is rectangle.
Yes, sir.
3 to
20
10.
times 10.
Area of
Yes,
third
sir.
section is trapezium.
Yes, sir.
1 by 2. Sum of parallel sides into height.
Yes, I did the last one wrong.
Last one difference.
Yes, sir. I did it wrong.
50 plus 200. And that's 25 plus 10 is 35 into 20 by 2 is 350. 350, 400, 600 meters. Are this clear?
yes, sir.
B part says the distance traveled in first to 40 seconds. This is 30, 50. Somewhere here is 40 seconds. Either we find the area for these three again, or we can just Find the area of this last section and subtract it from 600 because we already have full area. So particularly in this case, it is easy because this is 25 and this is 10. We know that we are talking about 40, which is exactly in between these two. So y will also be exactly in between these two values. Or else there is another way how we can find it. This coordinate is x30, y10. This extreme coordinate is x50, y25. And this middle coordinate is x40, y unknown. So these lie on one straight line. We can find y. For now, this is the midpoint. So we can exactly get the midpoint of 25 and 10, which is 17.5. In this case, 17.5. But when it is not the exact center, this is the way how we do it. I'm using the extreme 2 points. First and last, let me just label them for easy communication. I'm talking about A and C. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1 is equals to, now I'm talking about BC. You can make any combination, BC or AC, any combination. I'm talking about BC. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So we can solve this. 25 minus 10 is 15 over 20 equals 25 minus Y over 10. Cancels out. This is 2. That makes it 7.5 is equal to 25 minus Y. Rearranging, this becomes Y is equals to 25 minus 7.5. So 25 minus 7.5 is 17.5. So once we have that, now we know that the height of this section is 17.5 and I can find the area. So area is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. This height is 17.5. The other height is 25 into distance between them is 10. So 17.5 plus 25 is 42.5 into 10 divided by 2. I'm getting 212.5. So the question was distance in first 40 seconds. So full is 600. We subtract this. 600 minus 212.5 is 387.5 meters. Try the last part, the acceleration when t is equal to 15. Which aspect of this graph will give the acceleration of speed time graph?
At T15, T, at T, it's 0.
Correct. This is horizontal line and the gradient is 0, so the acceleration is 0 meters per second square.
Yes, sir.
And also see this concept that it is a constant speed. The speed is not changing, so there is no acceleration. This is that clear? Okay. Next question is find V if the total distance traveled is 900. Now, what will we do to equate this with 900? How are you solving this?
Uh, we will do 50 plus we have the total distance. So we will do take V as a subject and look for the first area of the triangle. We will do 1, 2 times 30 times V.
That's
And
right. If you just take it as one single triangle,
yes, sir.
this is 1 by 2 into base is 90 into height is V, and already the total distance, that is the total area, is given.
Yes, sir.
So V
So
is
we get
equals to 900 into 2 over 90, 1
yes,
times
sir.
10, and this is 20.
We get 20, 20. Yes,
So
sir.
20 meters per second.
Yes, sir.
Second part says the distance traveled in the first 60 seconds.
This will be
In first 60 seconds.
maybe 600.
We'll calculate. There are again two ways. Either we find area of this side or we find area of the second side and subtract it from the total given distance, which is already 900. So this part is easier. So one thing is 1 by 2 and base is from 60 to 90. Base is 30 and height. Now we can again see that this is exactly in between 30 and 90. So it should be in between 20 and 0 and this height should be 10. This value is 10. So 1 by 2 base into height. That's 15. 15 into 10 is 150 meters. The last part is 150. So the distance traveled in first 60 seconds would be 900 minus 150. And we get 750 meters. Haris, is this in clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt about the value 10?
No, sir.
Sixth question says find t if the initial acceleration is 2. Now this is speed time graph again, and acceleration is given by the gradient. So gradient of this section is change in y over change in x, which is 16 over t is equals to the given gradient. So t goes on the other side, 2t and 2 comes over here is t is equal to 8. So 8 seconds. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Find the total distance traveled. Can you do that?
Yes, sir. Okay. 496.
496, yes. Aris, are you
Mhm.
getting this?
Yes, sir. I'm getting 496.
Okay. So the average speed is total distance over total time. Distance is already 496 meters. So total distance is 496 and total time is 40. And we're getting 12.4. 12.4 meters per second. Average speed. Try question number 7.
So for V will be deleted by 30. So it will be 30.
Yes, Haris, I haven't solved it yet.
Okay.
Uh,
Haris, what are you getting? We need to confirm.
yes, sir, I am getting. Sir, I am getting 30. No, sir, I'm not getting the same.
Okay, let me solve. It says given that the total distance is 8 to 10, find the value of V. So this is just the height. 1 by 2, sum of parallel sides, this is 40 plus, this is from 12 to 26. So 26 minus 12 is 14. Sum of parallel sides and height is V and it is already 810. So left hand side is 40 plus 14. I'm getting 54 divided by 2 is 27. So 27 V is equals to 810. V is equals to 810 divided by 27. I'm getting exact 30. Haris, were you getting 30? Ali?
Yes, sir, I'm getting 30.
That's correct. Haris, what are you getting?
Sir, I was getting. Sir, can you explain this one again?
A part. Haris, just the area of the trapezium. 1 by 2, sum of parallel sides. This side is 40. And this parallel side is from 12 to 26 is 14. And
Yes,
this
why?
height unknown V. And total distance is already given 810.
Okay, okay, sir.
Clear, Aris?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next part. The rate of change of speed when t is equal to 30. Now, rate of change of speed is acceleration when time is 30. So, time 30 lies between 46 and 40. So, at time 30, we just need the gradient of this line. So, gradient of this line is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's minus 30 over 40 minus 26 is 14. So this simplifies to minus 2.14. Minus 2.14 meters per second square. Negative gradient shows it is slowing down. That is why we're getting negative acceleration. Try C part.
Well,
Yes.
so 6 seconds.
I'm getting 20.
20 was
I'm getting 20.
no. I got 26. I don't understand this part, C part.
Okay, let's do it. Haris, what are you doing?
Sir, I am also not able to.
See, this is area. I hope you know that.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if this is area and it says time taken to travel the 420 meters, I'm just checking what is this. This is 1 by 2 into base into height. So that's 1 by 2 into base into height, and I'm getting 180. So this is 180 meters. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, if this is 180, we've already covered 180. The remaining is 420 minus 180 is 240 meters. So I need to check how much time is needed to cover 240 meters. Now, this is height is 30. And I'm just checking maybe within this time it would have covered it. So just checking 240 because that's a rectangle should be equal to 30 into unknown time at the base is x. So 240 divided by 30, I'm getting 8. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So basically, when this is 8, 20 plus 8, 12 plus 8 is 20. So at time 20, it would have covered 420 meters. Just a cross check. 1 by 2 Sum of parallel sides, this is 20. And if that is 20, from 12 to 20, we have 8 into height 30. Check, what do you get?
Yes,
420.
420.
So you need to have a grip, strong grip on mensuration. Try number 8. Be careful with the units.
So for
So 15, check it.
yeah, I got
15.
25,
Ali, I can't hear you.
25.
25. Aris, what do you
Fif-
say?
15 I'm getting.
Ali, meanwhile, I'm using this 25 to quickly check what the area is.
Yes. Yes.
Ali, with the 25, I'm getting 2100. I should get 1500.
Yes, sir. Yes, I think I did wrong.
Strong grip on mensuration. This is all area and gradient, nothing else. Aris, not there yet.
Sir, it is very hard. I understand the questions and but I know I'm doing this one.
For B, it's for, for B, I got
No, no, we
nothing
can't get there. If V is not correct, definitely B will be wrong.
because I did from the A part, I got wrong.
That would be just ECF error carried forward. But for now, we have to get it correct.
Sir, I'm getting 15 for A. 15
15. Let me
times.
quickly recheck. This is 15. Another 15. And 15. 15 is correct. Aris, Ali, when I'm using this 15, I'm getting exactly 1500. So how do we do that? I'm looking at it. I'm taking this first as trapezium, second as rectangle, last as triangle. The first one is 1 by 2. Sum of parallel side. This height is 60 plus this height is V times the distance between two parallel lines is 20 plus the next rectangle is 20 to 60 is 40 into V plus the last one is triangle 1 by 2 into base 20 into height V, and the total distance is 1500. Now when we solve this, this is 2 1 times 2 10 times, so 600 plus 10V plus 40V plus 2 1 times 2 10 times is 10V is equals to 1500. So I'm adding these V's 40, 50, 60. 60V is equals to 1500 minus 600 is 900, and 900 divided by 60 is exact 15. Very good, Aris. And when we have this 15, the rate of deceleration after 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds is definitely between this region. So I just need the gradient of this line, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 15 minus 60 is minus 45, divided by 20 is giving me negative 2.25 meters per second square. Now understand, the gradient always gives the acceleration, but he's asking about the deceleration. So we just change the sign. This is 2.25 meters per second square. Clear?